Keys not found. Ryujinx was unable to find your Prod.keys file. How to fix this error? Follow our setup guide. And in this setup guide, I will also show you how to download and install firmware in Ryujinx emulator. Step 1. Open any web browser and go to oldroms.com website. Step 2. Go to the menu and click on Firmwares and then click on Ryujinx Firmwares option. Step 3. Select latest version of firmware and download it from Google or MediaFire. Step 4. Click on Download icon. Step 5. Click on Download Anyway option. Firmware downloading is started. Firmware is now downloaded. Step 6. Open oldroms.com website again and go to the menu, click on Keys and click on Ryujinx Prod.keys and Title.keys option. Step 7. Select latest version Prod.keys and Title.keys and download it from Google Drive and MediaFire downloading option. Step 8. Click on Download icon. Keys.rar file is now downloaded. Step 9. Extract keys.rar file using WinRAR or any RAR file extractor tool or software. Step 10. Open Ryujinx emulator. Step 11. Click on OK option and go to the file and click on Open Ryujinx folder option. Step 12. Open System folder and move all keys files from extracted folder to System folder. Step 13. Go to the tool and click Install Firmware and then click on Install a firmware from XCI or zip. Step 14. Click and select firmware.zip file you downloaded from oldroms.com website. Step 15. Click on Yes option. Now latest version firmware successfully installed in Ryujinx emulator. Click on OK option and close Ryujinx emulator. Now, open Ryujinx emulator again, and check, Prod.keys, Title.keys working or not, on Ryujinx emulator. Prod.keys, Title.keys successfully working on Ryujinx emulator. Enjoy.